What's up, YouTube? It's Isaac, the Olden Dirt here, and we're going to June Drop to get some more Funko Pops. And then we're going over to the Ocean Cave so Brad can pick up his Patrick. And so yeah, we got 4 Funko Pops put on hold, but you'll see when we get there. So we're gonna go to Utopia, I think that's what it said first, and then EB Games. So see you then. I might blog inside there, but I don't know. Alright, we grabbed June Drop and we're gonna open up these Funko Pops when we get home. So I got 4 of them right here. I haven't shown them off on camera yet, but I'm gonna go wait until I get home. So see you then. Well, we're back home, and before I open up these Funko Pops, and yes, you know, I unboxed them, because everyone's in my videos, I take my Funko Pops out of the box, because they look better out of the box in my opinion. But first I'll start with ones I got. So we got Baby Yoda, or as it says here, the child, but it's like a Yoda. And we also got Goofy Monsters Inc. from Kingdom Hearts 3. And we got Donald Monsters Inc. Also from Kingdom Hearts 3. And we got Sora Monsters Inc. from Kingdom Hearts 3. So let's start with Baby Yoda. So you see right there, this box, the box that it comes in is a different style box. And maybe because of the ears being so wide. Like compared to the size, like Goofy, like you see, like same height, it's just sideways. So it says Funko Pop right there. It says like it's 368. It says the child. You got the Star Wars Mandalorian logo right there. You got a picture of Yoda right there. Going right there. It says the child up there. It says right there. You got a picture of him right there. And back it says a picture of Yoda and all the other ones you can get. So let's open it up. So they open it up from the side, by the way. Okay. This is actually my first Star Wars one. I believe Callum, like, known as Chugs, such as what he calls himself on YouTube, but I think he was planning on getting the Baby Yoda Funko Pop one day. Here we go, so we got the Baby Yoda Funko Pop, and as you see, bobblehead. Because it's Star Wars one's a bobblehead, so it's like the Marvel one. So it doesn't go detail on his green face right there. Go with a pink one, I got the Serious Black Funko Pop, like, with I believe his eyes are just completely black in Star Wars anyway. His ears like that. I don't know what the inside of the ears would be. No, the bobber is like. See some stitches on the collar part of his clothing. I don't know what you call this type of clothing, but it looks pretty neat. Not too much detail on the arms because then for the claws, got his hands like that, his fingers. There's the base that he's attached to. And got the copyright right. That's like came out in 2020, but everything on the box it said okay, so for some reason on the Funko app it said 2019. I don't know if that was an error or something, but that's what it said. But it says Star Wars right there. It looks pretty. Let's open up the Monsters Inc. Sora. So it says Funko Pop Games right there. It says Disney Kingdom Hearts because it is a Disney game. That's available 408. You got a picture of him right there. It says Sora Monsters Inc. You got Sora in the box. Got pictures for right there. Right there with his name and Sora right there and up there. And so videos you can get for like the regular Sora. You got a shoulder, you got a Hardware shoulder, and the Monsters Inc. Sora, Goofy, and Donald. We'll open up all three of those today. So let's take them out of the book. And I still need to do a video on like about what I actually do with the boxes for this Funko Pop. Yeah, I can tell that a lot of people want to say that. Now this isn't the Fox version, this is just the regular version of the Monsters Inc. store. The head does turn on him. Wait a second, he stands straight. A little like he's a little top heavy. You got his hair right there. He's grey skin. There's both of them where his skin is orange. You can see one of his pop eyes right there. Got the eyebrow, I guess, the mouth right there. His outfit right there. The rest of his monster body. You got a Monsters Inc. style Keyblade. Some Monsters Inc. stuff with like the Monsters Inc. hat on it. Very well detailed. Let's do Donald. So get good things stuff like this. That's Donald right there. You got a picture of him. The exact same info as what we saw on Sora. And looks like he doesn't come with a stand. Let's look at Donald. Looks pretty neat. The guy's hat right there. Got some good stitch and detail on it. And got a zip on it. I guess he's like hair or technically got his one monster eye because yeah, again this is based on the Monsters Inc. level in Kingdom Hearts 3. So it's entirely blue. Look at his beak right there. Got these rings right there. This horn at his tail. Look at his normal outfit, I guess. I haven't played the Kingdom Hearts game. You can't turn him at the head. It's a little hindered by the arms. But doesn't really matter because they're more collectibles rather than toys. And he stands up pretty well also. And finally, Goofy. So again, Kingdom Hearts logo right there, picture of Goofy, his name right there, everything else, name across the wall. But I definitely need to get the regular Thor, Donald, and Goofy. But I might get the regular Thor next week. Let's look at Goofy. He's actually quite tall. So he's green right there. because it's spots on him. Because a yellow hat, got these paws like that, got black fin. Got a blue eye and a red eye. Got this horn as his nose. Got 2 monster teeth at home. One of these detailed ones, but still pretty neat. It's quite tall. So, it's actually taller than all of them, so let's go and put them on the shelf. Alright, so I'm going to put them on the shelf first and then video, so I don't knock any of them down while I'm doing this. Yeah, like while I'm putting them on the, so like, because, like when I was from like the second Funko Pop on, like, because I kept knocking them down, like, videoing, so, gonna turn off the camera while I do this, to make it easier. Alright, so I put them on the shelf, so I put Yoda over between Pikachu and Bugs Bunny. I put Donald over there. Goofy's been moved down to hit. And Sora, so I am between Flash and Arnold. This looks pretty neat. That's 27 Funko Pops in total now. Right, now back to me. So that was another Funko Pop hunting and unboxing. I really hope you enjoyed this video. Please like, comment, and subscribe to my channel. I like the awesome too. And I'll see you in the future. Peace out. Bye. Peace.